The views and opinions expressed in this podcast are those of the hosts and guests and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of any organization or sponsor. This content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be taken as professional advice.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new episodes of Core Insights where we are going to discuss about how workflow automation changes the environment of businesses. So every businesses wants faster decision, but somewhere between emails, follow-ups and approvals, workflow slowdowns. So how these modern businesses solve their operational problems and how the Uni approved like workflow automation takes the approvals and follow-ups in a faster way. So welcome to our podcast. So I am introducing our guest, Mrs. Kalyani ma'am, who has the 10 years of experience in the technical knowledge and also a workflow automation. Welcome ma'am in a podcast.
So thank you so much, and it's really grateful to me to be here.
Okay, so Uni approved. Can you give the exactly idea of what is Uni approved and how it started? Like we have the curiosity to hear about it.
The idea of Uni Approved that comes specifically from the actual use case that we used to have in our organization. So in every organization, wherever you used to go, we have the n number of approvals for it. So to get overcome of the delay and to have the more transparency and the fast decision making, for that purpose specifically we have designed the Uni Approved over here.
Okay, that's great. Like let's start with the basic. Businesses grow हो रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी भी इम्प्रूव हो रही है, लेकिन किधर तो हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि जो अप्रूवल्स रहता है वो बहुत वर्क फ्लो में स्लो डाउन हो जाता है. लाइक रीजन क्या है उसका?
Obviously, because though the businesses are growing on, but still the manual process is still in that same manner. It's going continuously and continuously as it is. There should be some of the automation for that organization so that whichever the decision making process that should be more faster and faster. When the decision making process used to get delayed, that impact definitely used to be gets in your productivity also. So what UniApro specifically does, like any of the organization, for any of the department, they used to have a number of approvals for their organization. Like for example, I will give you the purchase department. If they want to purchase anything else, so they have to take some of the I mean to say some of the approval from their management. So then what that management used to do, they just put on the email, add a number of people in the CC, and they just share that email. So during that time, what happens? Some of the people used to see that mail, and some of the people they don't used to see the mail. And you can able to see like the position like director, they are not really not having that much of the time to see the mails also. So what they used to do, whenever they open the mail, they are having hundreds and thousands of a mail for the per day. So it's very difficult to them to how to track those mails and how to get that mails easily. So what Uni approves do, you just have to create the mail, and you're also having the good on. The good process that is SQL matrix. So while creating the SQL matrix, for example, for purchase department, these are the three users. So when first user is going to approve, then only move towards the second, and second will move towards to the third one. So this is the process that we have to set while creating any approval. So when the person used to create the node, he just have to create node and initiate it. Then the first approval get that notification on his mail and also in the system, so he can whichever approval, so he can able to read those all those notes and can proceed further with the decision. Either he can reject, either he can approve, or either he can assign to someone else, or either he can put on the hold also. So this is the process where Uni approve takes little bit of time and keeps the transparency specifically to the management. If any of the decision gets delayed, by which person or by which department it gets delayed, that we can able to see.
Okay, like we can say the employees are working in their correct way. बस जो process रहता है approve होने के लिए वो time लेता है.
Exactly. Because जितने भी employees है सब लोग अपना काम करते हैं, but There are few of the things that, but obviously we all are human beings, right?
Exactly.
So we are not the machine that each and every time we are in the accurate way. So like, यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि जैसे मैं एक और एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. In our organization we have to buy some of the machines for us, and during that time we have just put on the mail, and हमें हमने बोला गया था कि within 8 to 10 days the delivery should be happen over here. So we have put on the mails. The department, first department, they have initiated from their end, and the second department, due to some reason, that person was not available, and he's some another person. He have to take the decision behind to do it. So during that time, that person forgets to reassign or something else.
Yeah.
So that becomes very difficult to track in the mail whether he has not forwarded. But the initiator, he can afterwards also can able to add a number of person into it, and that decision can be carried forward and can be happen in the process way. So this is a plus point for the uni approve, that instead of having the number of mails and trackings, by just going to the dashboard, that person can able to say how many notes have come towards me for the approval purpose. He can go and just do it. That's it.
That's great. But so like, can you give the idea like workflow automation change क्या करता है exactly? Like manually हम लोग जो करते हैं, उसके अलावा workflow automation क्या करता है?
Okay, nice question actually. Actually, what happens? One more example that also I would like to add over here.
For sure.
एक हो जाता है कि ना कुछ डिसीजन हम लोग होल्ड पे ऐड ऑन करते हैं. आज मैंने मेल किया एंड आई हैव रिटन विल होल्ड दिस डिसीजन. आफ्टर दैट वो मेल को कोई भी जाके नहीं चेक करता कि वो क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं हुआ. इन यूनि अप्रूव वी हैव वन ऑफ द बेनिफिट that while keeping any decision on holding, that person have to add the number of days. सपोज 10 days के लिए या 15 days के लिए हम अगर कोई प्रोसेस को होल्ड रखते हैं, आफ्टर दैट 15 days दैट यूजर यूज टू हैव द नोटिफिकेशन ऑन हिज मेल दैट दिस इज नोटिस ऑन द होल्ड पीरियड, सो कैन you want to release it, you want to take action on it. So whichever decisions that are on the hold, that can be proceeded. So productivity is not also hampering. Secondly, we are again having management level can again having the transparency why this decision was delayed, by whom it was delayed, and why it was delayed.
Okay. तो देखा जाए तो जो हम लोग मैनुअली प्रोसेस करते हैं लाइक ईमेल्स थ्रू फॉलो अप्स वगैरह देते हैं, कभी कभी उसमें कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट होते हैं. तो फिर जो यूनी अप्रूव है उसमें कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो सकता है क्या?
बट ऑब्वियस नॉट. व्हाई? बिकॉज ईमेल्स में हम सीसी बहुत लोगों को रखते हैं, एंड सेकेंडली देयर इज नो एनी ऑफ द ट्रैक who should approve first, who should approve second, and after his approval, then only third person should have to approve it. Where he approve has a process. When the first approver, when he used to take the action, approve, then only second person can able to see. If first person rejected it, then no notification, no mail, or sorry, no notification or no anything else going to be passed to the second person. वो decision वहीं पे
Like
close हो जाएगा.
ट्रांसपेरेंट रहता है,
Yes.
उसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन
Yes.
क्रिएट.
And one more, जब हम लोग कुछ मेल जैसे रखते हैं और उसके ऊपर मेल ट्रेल होता है, राइट? इट यूज्ड टू कीप्स ऑन ऐड एन नंबर ऑफ रिप्लाई ऑन द सेम मेल. तो वो मेल ट्रेल बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है. क्यों होता है? क्योंकि हर पर्सन आके अपना कुछ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन या कमेंट्स ऐड करता है. यूनियन अप्रूव हैज वेरी वेल प्रोसेस where you have to add the documentation and comment also over there. So this can be very transparently can able to see which person has added his comment and what documentation he has submitted till now.
तो लाइक हम देखते हैं कि मोस्टली अप्रूवल के लिए परचेज डिपार्टमेंट, एडमिन डिपार्टमेंट, मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट, इन लोगों को अप्रूवल के लिए बहुत टाइम भी लगता है. क्योंकि जब तक अप्रूवल नहीं होता तब तक हम आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते. तो फिर अगर यूनी अप्रूव उन डिपार्टमेंट्स ने यूज किया तो उनके अलावा और कौन डिपार्टमेंट्स है क्या जो यूनी अप्रूव बहुत इजीली यूज कर सकते हैं?
Like HR department also can able to use it. After that management, after that directors of the company, these people can also use this. So like some of the decisions more than crores, if we are going to deal any of the thing, so during that time a number of approvals also needed. In that case, the management also have to be involved in the decisions.
Right.
So for that purpose, management can also track the decisions, and he can also able to give his own inputs for that decisions. So this is a plus point for the other departments. They have to, like in HR, any requisitions or for example, I will give. We are also giving the vouchers, whichever expenses you used to do in the throughout the month. We used to give vouchers to them. So the voucher submission and its approval can also be done in Uni Approve.
Okay. So one thing I personally feel like approval delays जो होते हैं वो तो ऑपरेशंस मतलब जो डिपार्टमेंट्स है उनको तो अफेक्ट करते ही है लेकिन वो एम्प्लॉयज को मेंटली ज्यादा अफेक्ट करते हैं सो आई जस्ट वांट टू नो लाइक व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इफ यूनी अप्रूव हैज बीन स्टार्टेड इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन does it affect the employees mentality or not?
Yeah, it affects employability. Like for me, in the mail train, employee really gets frustrated. अरे किसका मेल क्या आ गया है एंड हैव टू कीप ऑन कि जो भी मेरे फीड में जितने भी मेरे आ गए उनमें से सच में कितने मुझे बस व्यू करना है और कितने इसके ऊपर मुझे एक्चुअली कमेंट्स या एक्चुअली अप्रूवल देना है. Many of the time it used to be you just have to be in the CC for that particular purpose, right? But in UniApprove, what happens? Whichever decision making things that have to be done by you, only that notes comes towards you. Because जो भी initiator है, while creating that note, he used to add that person only those who are going to take action on that particular note. That's it.
सो लाइक मैनुअल वर्कफ्लो में हम देखते हैं कि एम्प्लॉयज जो अप्रूवल्स भेजते हैं उसमें वो लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किसको भेजा है अप्रूव कौन कर रहा है तो यूनी अप्रूव ये वर्कफ्लो ऑटोमेशन सिचुएशन कैसे चेंज करता है
While creating the, as earlier also I have told, कि while creating any of the node, we have to add the approval hierarchy. So which person should be first, which should be second, which could be the third, and that initiator can able to view that node कि मैं ये particular node के लिए मैंने कौन से लोगों को उसके अंदर add करके रखा for the discussion purpose.
सो लाइक एम्प्लॉयज का सिचुएशन थोड़ा फास्टर हो सकता है अगर यूनी अप्रूव प्रॉपरली वो लोग मेंटेन करेंगे उनको पता जब चल जाएगा कि यस यूनी अप्रूव इज द बेस्ट फॉर अप्रूवल्स एंड वर्कफ्लो ऑटोमेशन राइट
Okay. And the main thing, most of the organization, those who are taking this product, they are specifically looking for the compliance purpose. Nowadays, for the compliance, while doing the auditing, you have to showcase any of the decision taken by the organization, how many from where the approvals have been gone through. So this is very crucial and this is very mandatory for all the organization. Whichever things they are doing any decision making, those tracks, those those audit log that also should be continued, and that also they have to show to the auditor whichever decisions are made, all those decisions ये किस कहाँ से affection है इसका, who have approved, from which department it has been approved, and for example अगर ये more than 1 crore का है तो how many persons for the approval for that particular notes are there. So these are all those things are there कि ये इन लोगों को ऑडिट के वक्त दिखाना ही पड़ता है. तो जितनी भी अभी जो कंपनीज है those who are taking specifically this product, they are taking for the audit purpose first of all. Secondly, the director and the upper management, they used to have more transparency and the most decision making things they get very easily, because these are the people who used to be the on the bird eye level. So they have to see कि कहाँ पे कौन सा क्या जगह परचेज हो रहा है, क्या जगह सेल हो रहा है, आफ्टरवर्ड्स सेल करते वक्त परचेज करते वक्त कितने इसका अब तक approval हो चुका है. Before making any of the decision, they used to have all the transparency at their end. Right now, what happen on email, you can't able to go and see. Right. If for example, if I am the management and I want to see कि purchase department से अब तक कितने approval गए हैं, who's that person is going to go into that mail, फिर उस person को देखो, फिर उसके आगे वो सुनो, that is very frustrating. Yes. And secondly, we also have to keep in our head that mail IDs. ये कौन सा मेल आईडी है, वो कौन सा मेल आईडी है, दैट इज रियली वेरी वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग फॉर एनी ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट. बट इफ दे वांट टू सी कि अगर अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट से, परचेज डिपार्टमेंट से कितने लोग हैं जिनका अप्रूवल अब तक गया है, कितना पेंडिंग है, इफ एनीथिंग इज पेंडिंग, दैट शुड बी द एक्शन टेकन प्रोसेस शुड बी देयर. But in the mail, they are not having that kind of transparency. They can go over there and they can come to know, yes, this decision is still pending. So UniApprove used to help them कि हाँ ये decision अभी pending है, So there should be some of the board meeting and anything else, so that why this decision was pending, and there should be एक होता है ना कि conversation कि रूट कॉज तक ये करना कि एग्जैक्टली अगर डिले हो रहा है या किसी कोई डिसीजन अगर होल्ड पे रखा है, the action taken is very important, because when the actions and when the decision makings are there, again it's come towards productivity. If it delay, again the productivity also delay.
It's so interesting to know about it. So, like, my next question is, if we are introducing this in the modern businesses, so how they can change the workflow automation?
Okay. The change of workflow automation is that right now you can able to see, though the organizations have taken the growth, but still the manual work is in that traditional level. When if you are moving for each and everything for the automation, then why don't we move for the decision making towards the automation? The transparency is very important for any of the organization. Whenever the management level, if they are getting all the transparency, then definitely it used to get increase in your productivity.
So we mostly see most of the businesses use traditional way for doing the approvals, but Uni Approve doesn't do that way. So what is the process to do the approval system in Uni Approve? Like if any department has to take approval, like we can take the example of purchase department. They have to take approvals. They have to do approvals within a day, but they get frustrated. Why? Because the approvals has not been approved, requests are not been approved. So what is the time period of Uni Approve?
So the whichever node we used to create, suppose some of the person used to get delayed by some of the approval. For one example, one node, if we are having three approval, right? The first approval he have approved from his end, second approval still left. तो आज वो भूल गया, ठीक है, उसने नोट ओपन भी किया, but still he haven't taken any of the action towards it. Next day, again on his mail and again on the system, he will get the notification that this note is still pending for the action. Please take the appropriate action on it. So what happens? Whichever things are delayed, जैसे मेल पे एक ही बार आपको आ जाता है, but mail doesn't give any of the intimations to you कि this decision is still on pending, this decision is still on pending. And nowadays we are having पूरा दिन like ये मेल देखो ये प्रोसेस देखो वो प्रोसेस, और नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन यू कम्स टू द ऑफिस यू आर टोटली ब्लैंक. व्हेन यू सिट ऑन योर चेयर देन वी यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट, हाँ मेरा कल का क्या था, ये क्या था, वो क्या था. बट हियर सिस्टम यूज्ड टू रिमाइंड यू that this decision is still pending, please go and take the action on it.
वो वैसे नहीं है ना कि आज मैंने एक रिक्वेस्ट डाला है, उसका अप्रूवल आज के दिन तो हुआ नहीं, तो फिर दूसरे दिन जाके मुझे वापस से रिक्वेस्ट डालना पड़ेगा, लाइक मेल करना पड़ेगा, रिमाइंडर देना पड़ेगा. तो यूनी अप्रूव पे हमें वापस से उसको रिमाइंड नहीं करना पड़ता है.
Exactly.
दैट्स द प्लस पॉइंट.
To give the reminder to you.
Okay. Yeah.
तो लाइक नेक्स्ट मुझे अभी एक डाउट भी आया कि अगर हम रिमाइंड फॉलोअप्स दे रहे हैं या कोई मेल कर रहे हैं हमारे डायरेक्टर को, मैनेजर को, एंड इफ ही इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द ऑफिस, like he has gone out abroad or outside for any project for or any other thing, तो अगर मैं ऑफिस में बैठ के उनको अप्रूवल के लिए रिक्वेस्ट कर सकती हूँ क्या? कि अगर बाहर रह के उनको पता चल जाएगा कि पता चल सकता है क्या एम्प्लॉय ने अप्रूवल के लिए रिक्वेस्ट डाला है
Yes,
करके?
exactly.
जो भी आप रिक्वेस्ट आप करोगे, मैं दो दैट पर्सन लाइक वन ऑफ आवर क्लाइंट, ही इज आल्सो द that is very biggest organization actually, and he is the director. So when we used to have the multiple POC with them, so during that time he had asked us the question, uh, does really UniApro will help me if I am moving from one country to another country? Within the flight I should come to know ki whichever notes come towards me. It's really very frustrating for me to see all those mails. I'm having the n number of mails with from my vendors, from my other and the offices also. I just want that kind of mail where I have to make the decision. That's it.
Okay.
So these things helps to this specifically for the management purpose कि मुझे आज के दिन में कितने नोट्स आए, मतलब कितने अप्रूवल के लिए कितने मेरे नोट्स आए, सो दैट आई कैन हैव टू गो एंड टेक द एक्शन ओवर देयर. और ही कैन ऑल्सो हैव द वर्ड है कि आज के दिन में मेरे थ्रू आउट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कितने नोट्स क्रिएटेड हुए, उनमें से कितने अप्रूव्ड हो चुके, अगर कोई कुछ परचेस या कुछ सेल कर रहे तो कितनी ऑफ द अमाउंट तक कब तक हुआ है. सो दिस दे हैव द ट्रांसपेरेंसी फॉर दिस कि हाँ ये चीज़ जो मेरे यहाँ पे हो रही है, आई एम हैविंग दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि मेरा आउट ऑफ बजट जा रहा है नहीं जा रहा. बिफोर दैट ओनली यू कैन एबल टू हैव दोज काइंड ऑफ इंटीमेशंस ओवर देयर कि अगर कुछ मैं बाय कर रहा हूँ या कुछ मैं सेल कर रहा हूँ तो हमें बट ऑफ जो नोट क्रिएट करता है वी हैव टू ऐड द डिस्काउंट्स, वी हैव टू ऐड द कैपिटल फॉर इट, राइट. सो वी हैव टू ऐड दोज अमाउंट्स ओवर देयर. सो अमाउंट आ जाता है बट ऑब्वियस जो जो मैनेजमेंट हो जाता है या अकाउंट्स हो जाता है या परचेस हो जाता है, उन सबका ज़्यादा रिलेशन होता है अमाउंट्स के ऊपर ही. when the amounts reflect and the amounts come to know to the higher level, definitely he can have that kind of decision making कि yes this इतना इतना मेरा बजट है और इसके आउट ऑफ द बजट ये जा रहा है या इन द मेरा बजट जा रहा है. सो दैट whenever that process is going on he can have the decisions with those people. Yes.
One curious question I have to ask is that, like, uni approve, why it's uni approve? Of the name uni
Okay.
approve.
Approve words come from here that approval is very crucial
Yeah,
part
right.
in the organization. Without that, none of the decisions used to be go ahead, right?
Exactly.
And we are the Unite core, so we have our initial that is our almost products whichever we are having. We start with the uni this word, so that's why we have kept it as a uni approval.
So, like, we can say that the culture is showing is like जस्ट जो एम्प्लॉयज को डिफिकल्ट होता है अप्रूवल्स के लिए वो होना नहीं चाहिए. फ्रीडमली फ्रेंडली जो काम चल रहा है वो होना चाहिए, इसलिए यूनी अप्रूव बना है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
Actually having the three segments, that is first of all transparency, secondly fastly decision, and thirdly the growth of that particular decisions, right. So whenever the decisions are made, then only we can able to say yes, we can have the appropriate I mean to say appropriate decision making on it. So अगर कुछ चीज़ें रिजेक्ट हो रही है तो why it's getting rejected and what was like अगर मेरा बजट नहीं है इसलिए मैंने रिजेक्ट कर दिया, right. But is that thing is that much important? So that management also come to know why this decision was rejected. So they can have some of the actions on it and it can might be initiated. But यही चीज़ आप मेल पे मुझे बता दो कि आप कैसे गेस कर सकते हो कि दिस थिंग्स आर अप्रूव्ड एंड दिस थिंग्स आर रिजेक्टेड, दिस थिंग्स आर ऑन होल्ड, और ये चीज़ किसी को मैंने और एक को रीअसाइन कर दिया है. नॉट एट ऑल. एंड वन मोर फीचर यूनी अप्रूव हैज़ कि अगर जैसे कि ये पूरी प्रोसेस होगी, 3 अप्रूवर थे, तीनों ने अप्रूव कर दिया, बट द लास्ट पर्सन दैट इज द एक्शन टेकन पर्सन, ये जो कुछ भी होगा उसके ऊपर वो एक्शन आगे प्रोसीड करेगा. जैसे कि परचेस डिपार्टमेंट है, उन्होंने परचेस किया, सब कुछ किया, अगर वो परचेस करने के बाद उसका डिलीवरी भी आना जरूरी है ना, वो डिलीवरी आ जाने के बाद चेक करने के लिए भी कोई तो एक्शन पर्सन है, वो और एक डिपार्टमेंट हो जाता है. दैट डिपार्टमेंट विल बी एज अ व्हाट, एज अ एक्शन टेकन. जब सब अप्रूव कर देते हैं तो जो भी एक्शन टेकन होगा उन्हें भी वो मेल जाता है उस नोट का. एंड सेकेंडली ही इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू हैव द नोटिफिकेशन कि दिस थिंग्स हैव बीन अप्रूव्ड, नाउ यू आर द एक्शन टेकन पर्सन.
So, action taken person takes time to approve.
No, he's not having the process for the approval. He's just person who can able to just see this approval is meant for me because all the approvals are done. Hereafter, the process should be continued by myself. Okay.
So, like we see, every business starts from the slow. Like, ऐसा तो नहीं रहता कि हम लोगों ने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है तो हमारे पास सब कुछ है. जो भी है वो स्टार्ट से बहुत स्लोली चलता है. तो फिर जो छोटे बिजनेसेस है, स्मॉलर बिजनेसेस रहते हैं, जो जिनका कुछ अलग कलेक्शंस रहेगा, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा जो भी, तो फिर वो अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं क्या ये?
Yes, why not? Because actually, uni approve this product which we have made. We have made for each scaling organization. Though it's a small, though it's a medium, though it's a large. For each and every scale, yes, they can be able to use this. Okay. So because approval is such a kind of thing from small till big, you have to do.
That's great. So, like uske like we see, there is always if there is something we are going to start with, we that have every positive points. So even from the positive points, can we say the UniApprove is best for all the employees, for all the organization
Yes.
to use it?
यस बिकॉज जैसे मैंने आपको इसके पहले भी कहा था कि दो हम लोग जो ट्रैवलिंग वाउचर्स और ये कुछ करते हैं उसका भी अप्रूवल जाता है दैट इज वेरी स्मॉल थिंग बट इट अफेक्ट्स वेरी मच अगर ये अप्रूव नहीं हुआ या कुछ नहीं होगा बट ऑब्वियस इट्स गोइंग टू अफेक्ट टू व्हाट द पर्सन मेंटालिटी so the small things approval is also very important in the organization so uni approve till good level till the upper level yes it is very important for each and everything
So like it affects the business performance.
right definitely
So businesses don't slow down because peoples are insufficient. They slow down because processes are. So फिर जो workflow automation है वो ऑपरेशनल प्रॉब्लम्स तो क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते राइट तो फिर वो बिजनेसेस को तो सक्सेस ही देंगे तो आपका क्या कहना है इसके बारे में?
I don't think so कि वो negative impact देगा why because there are some of the segment like uni approach specifically meant for transparency visibility and decision making so these are the three segments on which uni approve used to be stand and when you put on the peoples into the process definitely the process gives the proper output but when it's scattered the decision making used to be delayed and it impacts on your business okay
आफ्टर हियरिंग ऑल दिस अबाउट यूनी अप्रूव आई थिंक सो एम्प्लॉयज को काम करते समय भी वो मजा आ सकता है फ्रस्ट्रेशन नहीं हो सकता ऐसा यूनी अप्रूव बना है राइट?
Yes.
Yes, exactly. I would like to tell to the audience that ये जो प्रोडक्ट है डेफिनेटली आप एक डेमो देख लीजिए कि हाउ इट्स वर्क एंड देन it's really going to be helpful for each and every organization though from the small to the higher organization when the decisions get faster definitely your business is going to be on the smarter way so that's it
So my last question was it what will be message from your point of view but I think so audience has got the answer before asking me only. Okay. Absolutely love this conversation. Thank you so much for joining our podcast.
thank you it's my pleasure to be here
And thank you everyone for watching our new episodes of Core Insights. And I would like to give you a small message that if your businesses, organization are still depend on endless follow-ups and approvals, maybe it's time to rethink that how this can be go in a faster way. Till then, we will see you in the next episode of our Core Insights. Till then, work smarter, move faster. Thank you.